Nothing can enthrall our mind and heart than witnessing a beautiful bird painting the sky with its colorful feathers. Birds are one of the best creations of Mother Nature and come in different shapes, size, colors, and features. According to research by the American Museum of Natural History, there are approximately 18,000 species of birds in the world. Although it is impossible to pick the best of them, we will attempt to shortlist 10 beautiful birds that are renowned for their attractive and colorful plumage. So friends, in this video we are going to see 10 most beautiful birds in the world. Here, here are first peacock. The very mention of peacock is a male bird of peacock, which has been constant use of both poets writers. The national bird of India is renowned for its long tail of iridescent feather called the train, which it opens to attract a female bird. The attractive display of green and blue feathers often describe the peacock dance. Peacock dance is a part of mating strategy. Number second, golden pheasant. The golden pheasant is undoubtedly one of the most colorful birds on the planet. It is the male which is blessed with golden yellow crest, a scarlet red breast and mix of rust and cobalt blue tail. The female, on the other hand, is a dull looking bird which has pale gray and pink feathers. Golden pheasant are shy birds which do not prefer venturing out of their comfort zones. They are highly prized by birds collector and zookeepers for their brightly colored and feathers. Number third, rainbow lorikeet. Rainbow lorikeet are renowned for their incredibly bright and brilliantly colored feathers. They are native to Australia and live on large trees, usually a group of 12-20 birds, due to the word rainbow in their name. Lories have a set of multicolored feathers in vibrant shades of red, cobalt blue, green, orange, yellow. These are incredibly noisy and chatty birds. Birds are popular as companion birds due to their developed echolocation ability to respond to human commands. Number 4, Gale-billed toucan. Also called rainbow toucan, gale-billed toucan is one of the most prettiest birds in the world. It has vibrant sulfur yellow breast that sometimes gives the illusion of flying banana. Gale-billed toucan is a native to Latin America and usually found in tropical rainforests in Mexico, Colombia. The most attractive feature of this bird is enormous rainbow colored bill with shadow of yellow, orange, blue, and green and red. Number 5 is Nicobar pigeon. The Nicobar pigeon is the most beautiful bird native to Nicobar Island, Thailand, and other Asian countries. It is one of the many species of common pigeons and doves with slightly larger sized body. The distinguishing feature of this bird is the extravagant plum in mixed shades of green, gray, orange, blue, and black. And the interesting aspect of birds is the snow white tail, which often gets lost among the colorful feathers. Unlike the other pigeon species, Nicobar pigeons are ground-dwelling birds, although they are swift flyers. Number 6 is the great bird of paradise. The great bird of paradise is a large bird with exceptional physical beauty. The European named them bird of paradise is they believe the birds were legless and flew to earth from the paradise. They have a strictly attractive plumage of brown, yellow, white, and emerald green throat and pair of long tails, twice native to South Guinea and Indonesia. These birds are oriented to their exotic plums, which have huge demand in animal trade and nearing extinction. Number 7 is Mandarin duck. The Mandarin duck is a beautiful species of the duck that is native to China and Japan. The male duck, also called the drake, has the artistic looking plumage with colors like orange, brown, white, blue, grey, black, etc. Mandarin ducks are usually found near small water bodies like ponds, lakes, and are also remarkable flyers during the mating season. The drake raises its crest and elongated tail feathers to attract the female duck. Number 8. Spectral tails. The marvelous spectral tails is the gorgeous looking human bird that's found only in the Indian cloud forest of North Peru. The male is a attractive bird of species which has blue crest and ornamental throat covered with small iridescent feathers. Another remarkable feature of these birds is the exceptionally long pair of rear tail feathers with spatula shaped discus. Spatulas are one of the fastest flying birds in the world, and it's impossible for the human eye to match its speed. Number 9 is Victoria crown pigeon. Victoria crown pigeons are the largest and arguably one of the most beautiful birds of the pigeon species. The most recognizable features of these birds is the extravagant crest with blue and white leggies, feathers which resembles our jeweled crown. Victoria crown pigeons are native to the island of North Guinea and use their puffed up blue feathers and nature defense mechanisms. The male uses the attractive fan tail to press the female bird. Our last, number 10, painted bunting. The painted bunting is one of the most beautiful birds in the world, which looks like a real painting. The plumage of the male bird is filled with multicolored feathers, which include a shade of blue, yellow, red, green, which remains as the picture from coloring book. However, the colored comes only after maturity, and it is hard to distinguish the male and female birds during the initial years. These vividly colored birds are also make sweet chirping noise that sounds like romantic music. Or many more such beautiful birds in the world, which take most, which makes us wonder if we human are most inferior species on the planet. Most of the birds are facing a threat extinction due to habitat loss. Illegal hunting birds trade. We hope their numbers get restored soon and our future generations will get to enjoy their unparalleled beauty. So guys, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates.